This is part 2 of my video on who would be the most cardinal of all the cardinal signs. So I made a part 1 video of the same topic, and you can find that in the astrology playlist. So that video was about who would be the best leader of this bunch. Today, I want to talk more specifically about what kind of leadership I think each of these signs will thrive in. So the comment section of that video was very interesting, and that's kind of what gave birth to this conversation. I think because of Cancer's emotional needs and their need for emotional connection in all of their relationships, they would do well being the boss of like a smaller operation, like a mom and pop, where they get to feel like they know everybody, they know everyone's allergies, they know how everybody's feeling, they know what everybody got going on in their personal lives. You know, that's very Cancer. Cancer needs to feel connected. So less people, small operation, they would be a great manager or a great boss. Libra would be a great boss for a conglomerate because Libra has excellent schmoozing skills. They can make everybody love them after meeting them for 5 minutes. Libra is great at rubbing elbows with like new people. They're super diplomatic, very charming. Everybody loves Libra. So because of that, I think Libra rises in the ranks really fast, especially if they're really good at their job because they have like the social skills down pat. This is why Libra is actually the #1 zodiac sign with the most amount of billionaires in the world. And I think it has a lot to do with the charming people skills that they have. Now, moving on to Capricorn. I think Capricorn would do well as a head of a corporation. So not quite a conglomerate because Capricorn does not have the people skills to rise to that level or the emotional skills to really connect with people. I think a corporation, Capricorn can hire people who connects with the people that are actually doing the job because Capricorn is very good at big picture, assessing what skills people have, delegating work, and just staying out of people's way so they can do what they do best. Capricorn is also very good at following the rules and doing things by the book. Now, Aries, I think Aries would do well if they're the sole leader and they have people under them doing the work for them. Aries, unlike Libra, does not play well with others. They're very competitive. Their personality can be very abrasive. It's really hard for Aries to find people that they get along with for that reason because they don't know how to, they don't have any temperance. They don't know how to like self-monitor. So Aries does best when they're the leader. Like as an example, Mariah Carey's an Aries. Mariah Carey's a singer. She hires managers, choreographers, dancers. So everybody's under Aries doing what Aries wants. That works best if Aries is the only one at the top. But if Aries has to be at the top with other people, there's going to be some drama because Aries, it's not going to work out because Aries does not play well with others. They need to be a boss by themselves. What do you guys think?